So in needing to read 10 or more books, one place you can find books is in Sora, which we found through Clever. And then this is a list of, this is the Miss Ulner list. These are books that can be found in Sora that would be perfect for you to read. And I click on this and see if it'll give me the other 10. It does. Good. All right. So these are all the books that you can read. Most of them have been written in the last year or so. Some of them I have on hand. Some of them would only be on Sora, or if you want it, I can order it. Please notice that there are audiobooks as well. In fact, that looks like what I clicked on. It was probably the audiobooks. Okay. Yeah. All of these are actual books as well. There are biographies. If you don't know who Trevor Noah is, you just need to get to know him. There's some history. There are Holocaust themed books. There are nonfiction books about different hobbies. Super important books that they do require parental approval, kind of like The Hate U Give and On the Come Up and Dear Martin. They are books for 12 and 13-year-old boys. They're great, and girls, excuse me, but they usually have violence in them. Um, and then we've got, these are quick books, but they're still important. And then a ton of fiction. Some of them you've probably already read. So the reason why I'm doing this is so that if you're wondering what in the world do I read, you can come over and watch this video real quick to just look at any of these titles, and they are all really good. There are other good books too. This is also would get you a start on authors. For example, Kate DiCamillo, she has a whole series about Raimi and her two friends. Um, anything by Jacqueline Woodson.
How do we get on your class?
So let me just tell you, I don't think I can share this with you. You can't get on my list, but that's why I'm making this video. So you can quickly look at, you can play the video in whatever, 5 times speed to look at some of the titles that I would recommend. Okay. And I may add more, but I don't have a way of actually sharing this with you. I don't have a way of sharing this bookshelf with you. I wish I did. So that's why I'm continuing to just kind of make a quick video. You can put it on double speed and say, oh, that looks like an interesting title. Let me go find that. Okay. The other way that you can get books is to come into class. I have plenty of them here. I've got more on the way. So this is a quick video on how do I get books. Ooh, one more thing. There you can go through something called Destiny and get library books from our school library too. So there's plenty of ways to get books. If you have questions, private chat me. And now it's legal. The 10 book requirement is a 10-point grade in reading for second quarter.